Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Congrats everybody who hold the SOL, LTC, and the HBAR, because today in United States officially started trade the ETFs. ETF for these tokens. What do you notice on the chart based on this news? The pump was on expectation of that ETFs. Of course, for long run, guys, definitely I believe in new all-time high for HBAR this week. Kind of weird. You know, we didn't drop and didn't close the 50% of that week, so it's 13 cents 73. I guess we will not drop to this area in October or November, because I hope that November will be green. But if not, in November we can see the correction to 13 cents 77. I hope this ETF, it's not buy the rumor, sell the facts, you know, because it's not rumor. We talk about, and there was the public information, so they will in the next upcoming 90 days, so they will launch probably some altcoins ETFs. And so the first one is LTC, SOL, and the HBAR. So basically it's not like a rumor a few days before. So I don't know, the people who want to buy the HBAR, they bought it here. So everywhere, you know, because we're still underrated. I'm not a fan of HBAR. Between the HBAR and algo, you know, I'm hold the algo rent. It's not just because the algo is better. No, for me personally, all of these tokens just pure speculation. I'm waiting the 65 cents for HBAR and 96, even with the ETFs, guys. Yes, it's just my humble opinion about this token. Locally, once again, if we will see the correction, guys, yes, I would be not surprised to test the zero levels, 13 cents 77. We tested perfectly well 18 level, but I don't think so. After this ETF launch, we will drop again to 8 cents on that Binance squeeze. We tested this zone, but I don't think so we will test it again. So the crazy scenario, it's 13 cents 77. So let's focus now on local zones, on 12 time frame, 4 time frame, some small entries maybe for the pullback. If we will go down, where it's more than okay to open some long positions. So if you want to buy now, for example, you should be ready for potential 30% drop. Why we have to drop, I have no idea now, just because it's just a level of support now, okay level for HBAR. I hope this is not like a sell news. On 12 time frame, we got the signal to sell, but 12 hour still not confirmed, so 9 hours forward, you know, so maybe we'll trade now with sell signal, but it's not confirmed. So when the candle will close, we will see the confirmation or not. So we will see. This was a take profit from that sale, buy. So congrats everybody who opened position here. So you could fix a 35% on a spot, or with second leverage, for example, like 70%. Forward time frame also kind of weird, but we get a signal to sell. Today is Tuesday. On Thursday, that Trump have a plan to talk with the Xi Jinping, right? So I hope they will figure out something about the tariffs, and everything will be okay. So after that, Trump gonna be the lifesaver again, and you know, this cycle is crazy roller coaster. It's craziness, guys. Just one person just manipulate the markets how he want, and I'm more than sure there's a lot of insiders who stay with the Trump or with the Trump team and knew something before us. All right, so zones, you know, let's double check, guys, on daily time frame once again. So the gaps, 17 cents 39. I don't think so. We're gonna drop it at 12 hour time frame. So for the full fill, it's 1853. Perfect scenario, guys. If you know, we just consolidate, drop to close the full fill, it's 18 cents 48. Hold the line and go higher. So this is a best case scenario. I don't like this type like order flow, but it's not make sense personal for me to drop lower. If lower, so we could drop even to 13 cents. So this is it, guys. Forward time frame, also here is a full fill. Now we already closed the 4 hour time frame full fill 1976. So the next step is here, 1848. So this is it. If you want to open trade now, I showed you the risk, but for me personally, better open here. With the stop loss, hard to say where to put a stop loss. So if we open trade with a here, full fill. So the 5%, let's say 5. So with second leverage is 10%. Around here, like 1750. It can be the stop loss, and the target, guys, definitely it's a road to the first trouble area. It's a sweep of all these liquidity pools, and the test is 0.5 level by FIB again, 29 cents. So it's like 10% against 120 with second leverage. So it is what it is. So 1 hour time frame, guys, here was also the signal to sell. It was like 1, 2, 3, 4, around 6 hours ago. We got a signal to sell. You could open short here with kind of like stop loss 4%. So now you could be in profit like 12%. So not a big deal, right? With the second leverage, but for 10x leverage, it was kind of too much. 30% stop loss. That's why we for intraday trades, we need to trade on a small time frame. We need to open position on a small time frame. So it could be the logical to open trade at 23 level by FIB. The stop loss here, 30% stop loss, 15 with a 5x makes sense. So it was makes sense to open trade. And no, for example, like we test 23 level by FIB. It's logical entries, right? Test and a little bit higher you could open. So I don't know, 3% stop loss. So it's like 15% stop loss with 5x, and now you got like 35% take profit. Makes sense. If we'll go lower, right? Yes, it's gonna be the pretty good one. So to 1848, like with 5x, 65%. Nice one. So my take is, guys, I would like to see that drop to 1848. Let's mark the targets. Here is the horizontal line, magnets. So here, this is what I would like to see. This one. So around here, I'm gonna add alerts. Maybe here I would like to try to open long. We will see. So I hope we're gonna hold the line here and go higher. If not, guys, 1377 is the next step. With indicators, guys, 4 hours time frame, it's overhyped. That's why I'm not sure even we're gonna stop it here. So this 2 hour hype, it's here's the time to sell. 12 time frame, still no signal to sell. That's why let's pray for a continuation. 4 hours, 1 hour time frame here was so obvious to out. Signals to sell, now nothing. So it would be good to dump to the bottom, right? But hold the line at 1848. It is what it is. And next one is markets mood. This was overhyped on 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, A3 time to sell. 12 time frame, yes. It was just a positive. That's why usually the market need like 3, maybe 4 days to absorb the information about ETF. You can open the chart of BTC after ETF. BTC not pumping like crazy, and skeptics also talk about, ETF mean nothing and all of this stuff, guys. No, ETF means something, but it's not something like wow, we have to skyrocket to the moon, like Zcash, like manipulation on Zcash. 1 week, not 1 week, 1 monthly candle, absorb all the downtrend of the 4 years. Craziness. And I also ask why the HBAR, for example, or algorithm can't pump like this one. Why all the time like some random tokens pump it? Kind of weird. It's a weekly time frame. This is still just optimism, no hype, no euphoria, nothing, guys. So this is not definitely time to fix a profit on HBAR. Monthly time frame, just positive, not euphoria, not even close to euphoria like in January 5. That's why, guys. So we still got a potential for the pump with ETF or without ETF. Take a look the money power. We at the top, but without the signals to sell, no money outflow on the daily, weekly time frame, no money inflow, no money outflow. That's why if we will drop to 1377, I guess we're gonna dump to this block, to the bottom, and pump it with a new money inflow. But I hope not. I'm so tired of this market, just to be honest, guys. So 4 hour time frame here. This is a money outflow. Today we saw the money outflow. Yes, they pumped it because yesterday they post the Eric from the Bloomberg post. So they probably will list these new ETFs. So yes, we pump it based on this new upcoming news, but this is not a break of structure, guys. So this high, it wasn't a break of structure. To break the structure, we need to break this one. 30 cents, 33. If we want to talk about uptrend move, trade on. I showed you take profit. Here, we can go to 4 hour time frame, take profit 23.31, exit line 26.19. So like you can see, now we close to the take profit line, then to the buy line. Buy line now it's 11 cents 69 on 4 hour time frame. I hope we will not drop that low. 12 hour time frame, buy line is 13.64. So lines are dynamic. So I would be not surprised if we will dump to 13.66, this one, and go higher. Take profit on the 12 time frame, 27.12. And the daily time frame here is 29.47, and exit line is 33.25. So I wish to see that exit line 33.25, and we start build a uptrend move structure. So at least sweep this high. After that, the roll will be open to this area and higher. So guys, if you would like to trade with my custom set, just write me DM, and don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.